Hey everybody, this is Brian, D&S Automotive. I wanted to show you this MB Quart audio system we just put in this Jeep Rubicon Gladiator. Now, MB Quart makes these kits specific for the Jeeps. These are all plug and play, no wires get cut. We retain the factory radio and we add some incredible sound. Take a look.
Never change, I'm the same as you see me. The only thing changed is the paper my feet. Can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant was starving, but now we each stay for a living. If we ever fell out, you was fake.
MB Quart adds these coaxial speakers up top, as well as these 6.5-inch mid-bass speakers here up front. MB Quart makes this really nice overhead soundbar with 4 8-inch coaxial speakers. It goes right where the factory soundbar goes. This is an upgrade. You can get the upgraded 6x9s as well. This customer opted to have the RGB light rings inside so you can make a color change with the music. And then underneath, we've got an enclosure with 2 8-inch subwoofers powered by a separate 400-watt amplifier. Summertime's almost here. Your Jeep looks good, make sure it sounds good. Give us a call at D&S 440-946-2178. Thanks.
The only thing changed is the paper my feet. Can't forget about the diamonds and chains on my pendant was starving, but now we each stay for a living.